What's up guys, Andre here for Tech, and OPPO recently launched in the Philippines its latest smartphone packed with a 6.59-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 680 chipset, 50-megapixel dual rear cameras, and a large 50,000 mAh battery, the OPPO A96. We got our hands on one, so let's check it out. Before we get into it, let's first see what's inside the box. Taking off this blue sleeve and lifting up the lid, you're greeted with another box that includes the complimentary SIM ejector tool, the paperwork, and the jelly case. Then under that you get the unit itself. Then below you can find your charging brick and a USB Type-C cable. Let's start on the front. We have a 6.59-inch IPS screen with full HD plus resolution. It looks immersive as the bezels are thin but with a slightly thicker chin. Placed on the upper right is the 60-megapixel selfie camera, then placed above it in the bezel is the earpiece. On the left, we have the volume buttons and the card tray for 2 nano-size SIM cards and a dedicated slot for the micro SD card. On the right is the power lock button, which also doubles as the fingerprint scanner. Up top, we have the secondary microphone, then down below is the 3.5mm audio jack, main microphone, USB-C port, and loudspeaker. The device is mostly plastic, but the frame has a nice rose gold metallic paint job. The back panel is also plastic but has frosted glass finish that offers nice texture and repels fingerprints and smudges well. It comes in 2 colors, starry black and pearl pink, and what we have is the latter. The sparkly effect is really nice to look at and gives off the effect that it's sprinkled with tiny snowflakes. You have to say, it's really pretty. It's also comfortable to hold despite the tall frame. The device feels thinner than it actually is. The button placements are also perfect as they're situated in the middle of the frame for easy reach. Quality-wise, it's well made and doesn't feel cheap. More on its back, you will see the protruding camera module that houses the 50-megapixel main camera and the 2-megapixel depth sensor. Check out some sample shots that we got. For internals, powering the OPPO A96 is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset with an octa-core CPU clocked at a maximum of 2.4 GHz, an Adreno 610 GPU, 8GB of RAM with RAM expansion feature, 256GB internal storage, ColorOS 11.1 based on Android 11, and a 5000 mAh battery with support for 33-watt Super VOOC charging. The OPPO A96 is priced at 15,999 pesos and is now available in OPPO's official Lazada store. We'll know more about its performance in our full review, so stay tuned. And that's it for this video guys. What do you think about the OPPO A96? Do let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Andre, and I'll see you guys in the next one.